Well, what's going on, guys? So we are starting out the morning here, and we've got some big news on a couple of different things. So right now, I've got some call options on AMC that I need to get rid of, I think. Let's see if we can push up here. Looking for a push above $24 here at open. Let's see if these call options are going to nicely print beautifully for me. I'd like to see a push above 24 here. Getting ready. I have $22 call options on my Interactive Brokers account right now on my phone. I'm getting ready to. So yesterday I bought these $22 call options when AMC was down here at a low of $20, $21. So looking for, let's can it push up here? Having trouble here at 24. Classic. AMC just does not want to go. Trying to take some profit on these $22 call options that expire today. I don't want to be holding the bag here. So now I'm all out of my call options there on AMC today when it couldn't push above 24 here. So on the scanner this morning, we got a couple of stocks moving around. We got this one here, ABSI, that I'm looking at here at open, and it just couldn't really do much. As you can see here on the chart, it pushed up here to the 920s. Pre-market was up here at a high of almost $10 and then sold off here. So kind of going through these big movers, MRIN as well, getting sold off. And then you can see GME also crashing down here as well. The squeeze, man. So GameStop had news about an NFT marketplace that they're going to consider launching. And there was a big gap up on the chart, but it can't get going. It's a joke. It's literally a joke at this point that these stocks, like with all this hype and everything around them, they still just cannot get going. Like, I mean, it's just frustrating. I was hoping like this morning we'd maybe get like a move to 25, but like it just won't happen, will it? Like, so AMC right now holding this 23.20 area. Let's see if we can break above 24. If we break above 24, I'm going to jump in for a break over 24 here on AMC if it can do it. I still got, I think two more call options, $24 call options that expire next week that I'm holding on to right now. But let's see if we can break above 24 here for a trade here. AMC trying to push above 24 here, bouncing off 23 up to 23.75 right now. Looking for a push over 24. We pushed above 24, looking for a push up here. My platform's really lagging right now. I'm not sure why. The high on this candle, 24.17 so far. So looking for a push above that. Selling 1,000 right there at the 20s, like we said. Got 1,000 left here. Looking for a little bit more. 24.24. We'll sell it right there. 500. We got 500 left here. Looking for a push. 24.24. 24.24, looking for 24.40. We're looking for, sorry. Not having the strength to keep going up there. Getting stuck at 24.20 now. So keeping an eye on the scanner here. Not much going on. We got a couple things moving around, but nothing looking too hot right now. And I'll tell you one thing, my friends. Tell you one thing here. If it ain't hot, I ain't trading it. So looking here at ABSI, this is the top gainer this morning. It pushed up to a high of 1070. And you can see ever since it's been selling off now back down there to the 850 level. Now it previously bounced off this 850 level, but I'm not sure I'd want to go chasing it at this point and trying to jump in here just because it's so, just because it's bounced there before doesn't mean that I just want to buy. So ABSI just not having momentum right now. MRIN starting to get going here. Let's see, we got a pre-market. I would say, okay, yesterday, this was last night. So after hours last night, that 480 area looks like a resistance there on MRIN. Hey, so if you're wondering what scanner I'm using the Trade Ideas scanner to find the hottest, the greatest, the latest stocks. It's really simple and easy to use. There's a link down below. You can check them out and learn more about the Trade Ideas scanner. Also, if you're looking to check out one of the top brokers in the world, check out Interactive Brokers. There's a link down for that. There's a link down. Also, if you're wondering what broker I'm using for trading options, for trading stocks, there's a link down below as well. You can learn more about the broker and all that fun stuff. Let's get back into the action. So looking at the bigger picture on the daily chart on MRIN this morning, you can see the big gap up there in the chart. Looks like we got some resistance, I'd say, at the 528 area, pretty much $5 in the 528 resistance there on MRIN right now. But we'll see what happens in terms of overall action. I'm normally not a big fan of these stocks that kind of end up selling off pre-market and then bouncing back. You can see that 410 area held here, but still, you know, I just don't like that it went up so much yesterday after hours and then just kind of fizzled out and then kind of hasn't really made a big move since. Obviously, it's still up 31%, but that move from 410 to 470, it's pretty nice here, I guess, but still just not enough to get me super excited. So AMC 23.50 right now. Let's see, can this thing get a move going? But AMC, just, it's a joke at this point, guys. Like, I'm gonna give it a stab here at the 460s. If we break above this level here, 460, I'm gonna grab 1,000 shares here. See if we can't push up above a new high up towards that $5 area here. This thing right now, teeter-tottering there. Let's see if we can push above 470 now off this 450 point. Still a lot of resistance coming in there. The high on this candle, 463. And I'm jumping out there. So jumping in long one more time. I think this is gonna push up here. We got a high of 464 on that last little push here. Looking like she wants to go. We'll see if we can get a push above 475. Push up to that $5 level. If we break above 475, I'm gonna buy more for a push to 5. So I'm gonna add there. Looking like she wants to push up here towards that $5 level. There we go, up to 4. Looking for a push above 480. Come on. The high so far, 479. Looking for a push up to the 480s. Taking some off right there at the 480-90 area. Looking for more push here above $5. Taking a little bit more off right there. Looking for a push, 555. Push. Over $5 here. Let's go. Got 500 shares left here on MRIN right now. Looking for a push up. My entry on this is I think my average is 469. Remember, we knew $5 was going to be a little bit of resistance just because the whole number. You can see how well that 450 area held. So I probably could have held on to that first buy a little bit longer. Or I guess, you know, really being a little bit more patient. Wait for the better breakout here. Look at the volume through this move. So we consolidated at that 450 level. Look at the volume down here. We got that spike in volume. That's kind of our, I guess, signal to jump in at that point. Still looking like we can push over $5 here, though. I'm going to take half off right there just to lock it down. We got 250 shares left here. We'll watch this 475 level. I don't want to go into the red here on this trade. The daily chart, we can see that there's clear resistance at this 528 level. So if we push above 5, I would expect that 528 area to act as resistance and hold it down. So that would be my target anywhere above $5, kind of push up here to the 520s. Looking like a similar setup to earlier as we were consolidating off that 450 level. So if we consolidate here at the 480, you can see the volume right now. We need to bounce. This needs to bounce back up here. You can see the overall volume consolidating here, but I think if 470 can't hold, then it might be done. Ryan, we got stuck at 475. Luckily, did not buy there. Oh, look at that, getting denied right now. Dun. Come on. I'm going to short right here, actually. I think we can drop pretty quickly down. Get down to the 450s. There we go, 451. See if we can get a little bit deeper here. Get a wash through here. I'm going to cover there at 450 just to lock it down. MRIN, kind of a difficult one today. Had a couple, couple pops, couple drops, couple pop drops. Just not having the momentum that we needed. And you can see as well on AMC, man. What a letdown. What an absolute just letdown at this point. Oh, sad. So AMC down there at $23. Luckily, I took profit on all my call options up here at the $24 level. And you can see AMC just... So there it is, Friday, making money on AMC call options that I talked about yesterday in the video. And then today, making a couple trades on MRIN and then also on AMC. So if you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you want to see here on the channel? What should we be doing to make your viewing pleasure just that much better? If you guys, like I said, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.